Hello, Upstart. Well, many people have been asking, uh, what's the cost of a middle income house in Nairobi's Komarock area? Well, this is a house. Yes, it's a small one bedroom house. Yes, as you can see, and it's located here in Komarock area, Komarock Phase 4. Yes, yes, you can see. It's a one bedroom house. This is the kitchen. It's just near the door. Yes, it's near the door. This is the sitting area. You can see the fridge has been placed in the sitting room area, which is a bit tiny. Yeah, this is a sink. This is the bathroom. That's the bathroom. And this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. That is the bedroom. So now this room costs 12,500. Yes, it costs 12,500. It's usually for middle income earners in this part of the area. Komarock area borders Kayole. Yes.